welcome once again to this beautiful morning in the Sai International Campus. At the outset, I welcome Sri Subrata Bagchi, Mrs. Bagchi, and our friend philosopher guide, Mr. Anup Mahapatra. This is a unique moment for all of you to listen to Sri Bagchi. I don't know how many of you have read his books. There is one book which has made a lasting impact on me, is Go Kiss the World. This talks about transformation and how somebody thinks of doing something, lands up in doing something else, and finally sets up an institution which is different by its class, by its thought. This can only happen by a true leader. I was persuasive in requesting Sri Mahapatra, who is a part of the school, to bring Sri Bagchi here for one selfish reason. The selfish reason being to impart in each one of you the seed of leadership. If you listen to him, I am sure each one of you will be converted into a global leader of tomorrow. I had the occasion, whenever I get the opportunity, I listen to him, to his talks. I still remember a story, small story. He was talking about Bill Gates, how the parenting and the state converted this errand boy into the biggest institution of the world, creating Microsoft. And the way he talked about him in 10 minutes, that entire hall of 1,000 people were mesmerized. And I am sure a lot of them would have learned the way Bill Gates, from school dropout, went back again to Harvard with humility to receive his degree from there. Without talking to you now, because I know I have got many opportunities and occasion to talk to you in this course of 3 days, I will briefly, introduce Sri Subrata Bagchi, the co-founder of Mindtree. I'm sure most of you would have read, seen, or Googled on Mindtree. This is an institution with more than 10,000 employees, turnover more than 2,000 crores in Indian currency as of now, and probably more than 250 clients, and I don't know how many of them are the Fortune 500, must be more than 100. In his new role, Bagchi spends one time with the top 100 leaders in Mindtree on their personal, professional issues to expand leadership capacity and build readiness for taking Mindtree into the $1 billion league. In addition, Sri Bagchi works at the grassroots by making himself available to its 45 communities of practice that foster organized learning, innovation, and volunteerism within the organization. He has written extensively in leading newspapers and magazines and spoken in industry platform, educational institutions world over. His Business World column and Times of India column, Times of Mind, were widely read and discussed. Currently, he writes a column in Zen Garden in Forbes, India. Bagchi on the board of governors of Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. He is also in the board of IIIT Bhubaneswar. In fact, IIIT Bhubaneswar has a lot of contribution, his contribution in taking it shape. Bagchi has authored 3 bestsellers: The High Performance Entrepreneur, Go Kiss the World, and The Professional, all from Penguin. And my honest request to all the young delegates here, please go through these books. These will transform you. Without any further time, I request on behalf of each one of you to Sri Bakchi to speak to you, and I will also request him to answer, if time permits, few of your questions. So frame your questions. The time is yours.